Welcome back. Stay focused, take some notes, and let's go.
To change the settings, go to File, Settings, General Settings. On here we have some tabs. In this common tab we have Save, Reminder every 10 minutes. This is by default. It's actually the amount of time it takes to the software to ask you to save your project, but I highly recommend that you make it as short as possible. Not like 1 minute, it's going to be very annoying, but I recommend 5, 10, 15 minutes maximum, because if you happen to do something wrong, or if your computer lags or something, for you not to lose your projects, I highly recommend that you save your project every now and then. This is the number of undos you can do, the undo actions you can do in your project. You have 15. Leave it like this, because if you go higher, your program, could lag a lot, so leave it like that. This is the language, this is the user interface. Language is the language you're going to be using inside DIALux evo to plan your project, and this is the documentation language. It's the language of your outputs, like the documentation, the reports, the CAD layout plans, etc. Units of measurement, we have the metric system for meters, the imperial system for feet and inches, photometric units, lux for European system, and foot candle for the imperial system. If you happen to change one of these, the software is gonna ask you to restart it, so you need to do it before you work on your project. I will go to CAD. On here we have the text color. Personally, I don't like this blue color in DIALux evo, so I prefer the orange. Same for the name, for the room and space names. I'll go to orange. You can choose the color you like, or the color that goes well with your brand identity. As for calculations, leave everything like it is. For now, documentation, same. Keyboard. In this part, it's really good to know some very useful shortcuts, but personally I don't know all of these, and I don't need all of them. But if I wanted to recommend some of them to you to remember, Control N is good. Control O is good. This one, Control S, is for saving the projects. This is universal. And if I go also a bit here, you have Control M. This is very useful too. You have insert a copied CAD object at the current mouse position. And then you have the others that everyone knows. Control C, Control V, Control X.
Great job. Keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.